Today, I'm going to show you how to sync your assignments that you have posted in Canvas over to Skyward. Once you get everything set up, it's going to be very easy and efficient. So, the first thing you're going to want to check in your gradebook is your categories. You want to make sure that of these categories, you have them all weighed out to equal 100%. So we talked about that in assigning assignments weights. You want to make sure also that all of your classes have the weights that you want them to. And then in Canvas, you want to make sure that those weights match as far as what they are called and what percentage they are. This is where we encountered 99% of our problems. Some of these categories did not match here in Skyward. So once those things weigh and you have the different areas of your assignments um, categorized, what you're going to do is you're going to click on grades, your grade book. And for everything that you have graded, you're going to go here to actions and sync to Skyward EA Plus. And then it's going to tell you what it's going to load up all the assignments it wants you to sync. It's going to have all of them checked, including the ones that you have already synced. So you see in the past here on this side, I've already synced those assignments. So what's going to happen is I'm going to uncheck and I'm only going to allow it to sync one of these assignments. Let's say this one or Intro to iMac. I'm going to post that grade and then it's going to schedule that sync so I can click to see the progress. Once it goes through running and it's only syncing one assignment, I'm going to let it's going to show up in just a second over here in Skyward. So I can check, and I believe that assignment is right here. Alright, so these assignments are going to show up in Skyward right here. I believe it's actually right here. So it'll tell you what percentage it is, what it is, it's already posted automatically to student family access and everything else. And then here are the stores. So it'll tell you right here the name of the student, what they scored, and who changed that score. Okay, changes appear in red. Okay, so now that I'm back on my grade book, I can see that those grades have posted. These little stars right here mean that person has not taken that exam or assignment. So that's when you can change those grades accordingly. So if you were to refresh this right here, it'll tell you it's completed. Sometimes it'll tell you failed. And then if you click on where it says failed, it tells you exactly what's wrong as to why the assignment failed. 90% of the reason is because these categories don't match these categories in some way, shape, or form. Either something was misspelled, or there was an extra character space left after that, or if you have it to where the grades are synced up successfully, but it doesn't equal to a final grade, then you'd have to check to see if the categories are set. So as you can see here, these categories are different than what I have here. So this is not going to sync properly to that. And once you do that, you are good to go and all of your grades are synced up. You don't even have to repost the name of the assignment and copy everything over. It copies all of the details over from Canvas.